Okay, guys, so I'm going to fund an account right now. So just a $10 account size. We want to see if we can truly flip this account severally. Then we'll be doing a deposit live, then making the profits live while screen recording. Then we'll be withdrawing live also, so that you get to know whether Forex is a scam or not. So let me fund $10. From my wallet that was initially in. Good, so now it's officially $10. As you can see, it's a live account, so we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted when I see a setup. Okay guys, so welcome back to this video, this flipping series. I've been taking a look at EURUSD, and now let's analyze and see what we're expecting for the week so far. So we use this trades to grow our account to see where we're gonna get to. Okay, so this is the analysis. The pair we are looking at right now is EURUSD. You can see from the top there. The broker that I'm using is FX Pesa. So let's do this, guys. Okay. I'm just marking my trend lines and my key zones, key levels, key psychological levels. Sorry for that. Where price is most likely to reverse at. So let's get a look. We are seeing that EU is on a bullish run. What makes me say this for a fact is the fact that I've taken a look at the DXY, and the DXY is on a bearish momentum. So we know that when the DXY is selling, EURUSD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and ZUSD, and the rest are most likely to be buying. So I trust my analysis. I have confidence in my analysis. I believe that I'm a good trader. I follow risk management, and I can do this. So right now, what we are seeing EURUSD doing on the daily perspective is that it's buying, and my anticipation is that we're going to buy to this particular level over there. So the question is, how are we going to get there? So we are going to get short scalps targeting this run. It's about, from here to here, it was about 800 pips target, but now the market has already moved. We understand that from now where we are right now to there, we are looking at close to maybe 500 or so pips. So we are going to be taking short scalps, most preferably for buy setups. We are going to be focusing on buy setups. So we are seeing that it's on a bullish, and I've already explained that. So this was the bullish channel. We had our first touch here, our second touch here, then our third touch. Then what did price do? Price broke out. So right now we are aiming to go to this level. I've already explained that. We are going to dive into the smaller time frames to find our potential entries. So let's see how we are going to find those entries. Just confirming if I've locked my trend line. I like them locked so that you don't see them misplaced on the smaller time frames. So knowing that you're looking for buys, we come to the H4 perspective. This is what I'm seeing on the H4. This is my setup. So already price printed this pattern, this setup here, and then it broke out, already buying. Short-term targets for this setup is here. So close to about 100 pips from where price is currently. So we're just going to identify our zones where we are breaking out, where we are bouncing at, so we get some precise entries and make sure that we are on the right side. We can see that the market already bounced here. So how do we be present will capitalize on this? Either way, we are saying that if this price closes the way it's going, this will be a bullish engulfing and will be clear for buys. So let's chill, let's wait and see what price gives us. If it gives us an entry, we will definitely take buys. So let's step away. We'll come back later to see Euro USD. For GBP USD, this is what I'm seeing on GBP USD. I'm also seeing buys on GBP USD, and I'm just going to analyze here real quick. So this is what I'm seeing on GU, just focusing on where price is currently, right? So I'm gonna do this again. Okay, right, so we're going to draw a trend lines here real quick. Just adjusting a bit to make sure that it makes sense. So this is my setup on GBP USD. Let me look it on the daily. Real quick. So we see that price has been bouncing. Okay, we had a touch here, and then price did what? Touched here, and then it broke out. We had a touch here, and then price definitely bounced. Now we are breaking these highs. We've retested, so we are looking forward to continue going higher. These are about 1,000 pip moves, guys. So definitely these are most probably 1,000 pips to go. So we are going to be looking for buy entries. Basically, the market will not just go directly, but it will be playing around, and then we'll just see it eventually hit those highs. Let's adjust a bit, get up for the precise 90% rule so we don't get into trouble. So yeah, guys, here, this is what we are aiming for. We are aiming to see price get there. So let's step away. We come back later to see where our analysis is playing at. Before we step away, real quick, let me delete this and dive into the H4. See the continuation patterns that we are having currently. Okay, as it is right now, I'm not seeing any confirmations for any entries yet, but in case of anything, I will update you guys. So let's step away. We'll come back later. Okay guys, so I'm looking at USD and it's giving me a perfect setup. It's giving me a good setup. So you can see it's the level account that we deposited yesterday. Today is Tuesday, June 11th. So we want to take our first trade. I'll just execute 0.01 lot because we want to use proper risk management, as this account is still small. As it grows, we'll adjust the lot size. So let's step away and see what happens later. Okay guys, we are back again. So this is the trade that I took on USD card. As you can see, this was the analysis I had, and it looked like a breakout retest to me. So let me put in the landscape mode so you can see exactly what I saw. Basically I had this channel. You see we had the first touch here, second touch, and then the market eventually broke out here. So this looked like a breakout retest to me because you realize that this is a key level. We had a bounce here, we had a bounce here, you had a bounce here, so it looked like a breakout retest. So overall, I'm expecting to see the market push down good number of pips. So we are just gonna hold this trade. We'll just be adjusting stop loss as time goes by, as it moves in profits. You know, nothing is a guarantee in Forex. So if it hits our stop loss well and good, we will look for our mistakes. But if it sells, we're expecting it to sell there according to the strategy, according to the analysis we are expecting ourselves. So this was the analysis that I had on H1. On the 4-hour time frame, this is what I saw. I saw that we have a pattern here, and we had a touch here, first touch, we had a second touch here. So we had the first touch here, and then we had another touch here. This also did. So personally, I'm expecting to see the market push down one more time before it comes to breakout at the third touch. So that was the analysis I had on the H4. I also had this trend in trends pattern. So the market hit 1, 2, 3 touches, gave us the third touch there, then 1, 2, 3, broke out at the third touch. So this is a high probability trade for me. I'm expecting to see the market push down up to that level, as I had said earlier. So on the daily time frame, this is what we have. We had a touch here, we had a touch here, we had a breakout here, and then this is just some sort of a retest. So I don't know, the market could sell from there, or it could actually come and sell from maybe somewhere here. So we're just going to wait and see. If it takes us out, we'll take the L and move on. If it respects our analysis, we are expecting to see it drop up to this point at least before anything else. So just stay tuned, we'll come back later. Okay guys, so we are back. This is the USD card trade that we took. You can see it's going well. It pushed a bit to the upside, then it's dropping right now. So currently we are running about $1.5 on this trade, which is about close to 10% of the account, or I don't know, 14%, somewhere about there. Those numbers, you see, it's a live account. So yeah, this is it. We'll just be watching the trade to see how it goes. Let me put it in the landscape mode. You see, we are expecting to go all the way to the downside, all the way to this level. So let's wait and see how it will play out. Bye.
Okay, good morning guys. So today is Wednesday, July 12th, 6:19 a.m. and our trade is currently running at $5, $5.23, which is just basically about 50% of the account. So it's still the same account, EGM Securities, or we call it FX Pesa. So you can see we are still a few pips away from our target, but we can just hold a bit and see what the market gives us. So maybe I can just adjust my stop loss to entry, just slightly below entry, to protect, to be in a risk-free trade. So basically, now what are the outcome of the trade? I won't be losing anything on my account balance, initial account balance. So let me secure something 1.32736. Okay, so I'll keep you posted. Let's step away. Okay guys, welcome back. It's midday, July 12th. We took our trade on USD card yesterday. It's still playing out, still playing around, but we have our stop loss at break even, so we are still targeting this loss. We'll see how it plays out. So let's wait and see. We had our overall channel, then we had our trends in trends. The market broke out of the pattern here, and currently we are about 40 something pips, around 48 pips or so in profit. So I've just executed another AUD trade with the 0.01 lot size because I'm seeing this analysis here. So as you can see, we had our first touch here, then another touch here. So I'm anticipating at least a third touch or a double top before the market thinks about reversing. So currently we have a move to make to this point. That's my first conference. Also, we had this touch here, the market, okay, price bounced here, and then broke out of our channel. We had this sort of channel, then the market gave us a double bottom here, then it broke out of this channel. So overall, I'm expecting price to get to 0.885 level, but my take profit is here at 0.67989. So let's wait and see how the market plays out. We'll be back later with more analysis and basically to check what price has been doing. So till then, goodbye for now.